Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Daddy, this is Omega Fire Ministries Togo. We want to celebrate you on this occasion of your birthday. Daddy, you deserve to be celebrated every day of the year because you mean so much to us. You are our father. You are our mentor. You are our coverage. Your teaching and preaching has transformed our life. We met you when we were nobody, but by your works and prayers, the Lord has blessed us. The Lord has brought us this far. Daddy, we can't celebrate you enough. On behalf of my family and I, and the entire family of Omega Fire Ministries Togo, we want to say happy birthday to you. Daddy, we love you. Daddy, may God protect you. May God continue to bless you. As you have seen this year, you will celebrate many years. And as you travel from one nation to another nation, Daddy, God will continue to protect you. You will see many signs and wonders like you have never seen before. Daddy, we love you. Thank you for all you are doing for us. We say thank you. Happy birthday once again. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Daddy, we love you. What do we say to our Father?